We're back on the channel with another challenge, me versus Madison. This time we are doing a bowling board game. This one's called Dragon Bowl. It's a really fun way to make practice fun and challenge some of your friends. No matter what level they are, you can compete on different levels and still stay competitive within the two of you. So really fun game here. Hopefully me versus Madison on some really hard lanes out there today. This is a fun way for not only us, but for you guys to make practice a little more fun.
Prince Barodin, Pin Crusher. He's a dwarf warrior. My skill is to add +1 to pin count twice during the game.
I'm taking the trip 4 guy. My power is to steal a dice roll from a player twice during a game. We're gonna play on the advanced hero mode because the lanes are super hard, so that's like the 150 to 199 average. So the first task to begin the game, we don't flip over any cards, you have to strike or spare. Good luck!
Good luck! Yikes.
Nah.
That was a good shot.
Do you want to re-rack it or do you want to?
I'll re-rack it.
First task, strike or spare. That's all it is.
It's an easy spare.
That should have struck.
It's an easy spare.
Easy spare. My whole body hurts. So now while Madison is throwing her shot, I am going to... The first is a 12-sided die. So I'm gonna roll this puppy. It says 9, so I'm gonna need to get 9 and spare it, at least. And she is still on the first task, which is strike or spare. And strike. The cards don't change for me or her, but the dice roll does. So she still has to roll that 12-sided die and see what it's gonna be, because mine, I have to get 9, but she might only have to get 3. What's it say? What's it say?
9.
9, all right. Oh my. I got 9. Does it count? Does it count if I just go Brooklyn every time?
It shouldn't.
Just like every other video versus Madison. Brooklyn, through the face. That'll get 9.
Oh no, strike.
Yes. Going to advance to the next card, which is a 10-sided die. So there are like harder versions or harder ways to play this game, and we're doing none of this. I rolled a 2. I need to get 2 or more. I'm battling. Hook! No! And I get lucky. Yeah, okay.
I have defeated the Winter Wizard, and now I'm going to the Goblin. 3!
Wow. She needs to get, I need to get 2. She needs to get 3. It's 2 or more and 3 or more. How hard would this game be if you had to get exactly the amount of pins on the die? Pretty much impossible. This game would take 4 hours. Oh! That's such a hard spare to shoot. I tried to move a little to the left because my 5-pin went a little light.
What are you gonna do?
Hook it with this thing.
Nice.
Easy spare after the last video. That ball doesn't hook. I've moved on to this challenging spot. For 2 frames in a row, I must strike or spare. Big spare here.
I don't know how much to move for this.
That's a tough draw on the spread on those pins. That's a good shot. Wow!
No, I have to get 9.
Tough spare here. Tough spare.
Woo!
I gotta get 2 in a row. 2 spares or strikes or spare strike combo. 2 clean frames.
Okay, I have to knock down 9.
Pretty good. Strike or nothing!
I'm moving on to the river.
Challenge.
So I have to get 2 in a row,
Strike
spare or strike. missed my finger.
Moving on to the next card, Lunar Moth. And I need to roll the 6-sided die. Easy one. And I rolled a 1. Yes! That means I need to knock down 1 or more and then spare. Or strike on the first one. I can just roll 1s the whole way. Be the luckiest man alive. I already am. This game could be a lot more challenging if we went up a couple levels. Oh.
Is the spare ball gonna hook?
Hook.
Ouch.
Literally just enough. So we're about halfway through this video, and if you guys want to enter our December giveaways, you're gonna have to 1, stick around all the way to the end of the video, and 2, make sure you're a subscriber of the channel because we're still giving away bowling balls and Genesis Sport Pads for any of our subscribers. And then again, rule 2 all the way down at the end of this video to see how you can enter our giveaways for December. But make sure, be a subscriber of the channel and follow along for more fun videos like this one. I gotta get 1. I've been playing Nintendo Switch a lot with Madison lately, and we're looking for a good online co-op game. So if you guys have any suggestions, just throw them down below in the comments, please. We've been looking for a while. Next card, Child of Fenrir. 8. I gotta roll the 8-sided die. It's a tough one, I gotta get 4 or more.
Whoa, boy.
Brooklyn. Oh, that's a tough space. I don't know.
Spare ball? Yeah.
Spare ball?
Yeah.
Hooking the spare ball a little bit at it?
Yeah, I will.
It's a good shot. Wow. That is elite. I don't have that confidence. I want to strike ball at it.
Okay, I'm moving on to the Lunar Moth. 6-sided. 3.
We're getting some friendly dice rolls here, and I'm glad because the lanes are impossible. If these all said like 9 or 10, we'd be in trouble. Comment down below if you want us to do this again on a house shot, because if the lanes were really easy, we can roll another die to tell us how many to move our feet left or right on top of getting this amount of pins on the first shot. So it makes it a little more challenging. And then if we go to the very top level, it's moving feet, getting that number of pins or more, and changing balls in your arsenal. Oh my. Yes!
That's 4.
Brooklyn!
4.
So on that one, I'm just so used to just gripping and ripping, digging my fingers all the way in, totally forgot that I was trying to just like, and again, so in this game, one of the rules that we haven't really described yet, if you do not complete the challenge, so you need to spare every time no matter what, and if you don't, if you leave an open frame, you actually move backwards 1. Brooklyn? See? She's trying to be me.
8-sided dice. 1.
I got a striker spare here. Oh, Brooklyn again.
I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of ridiculous.
I don't even feel like I'm throwing it that bad. I just have no idea how to get my ball not to hook right there. So I said real strikes. Does anybody know who said real strikes on TV?
Chris Barnes.
Was it Chris Barnes?
Obviously, this Barnes guy knows what he's doing.
Well, Chris, we just showed video.
I didn't go Brooklyn. I guess it was all right.
Chris Barnes against Brad Angelo.
Against Brad Angelo? Well, you know what?
Brad Angelo goes, that wasn't a Brooklyn.
3 strikes in a row for Angelo.
That wasn't a Brooklyn shot there.
7.
Ouch.
Facing Pixie Swarm. Madison's got to get 1 or more.
That's a tough spare. Shooter! Thanks. I'm going to the next challenge, and I just have to strike or spare once.
Should I move or should I just keep going Brooklyn? What do you think? Should I move or keep going Brooklyn?
I think you should have a purple hammer.
I don't have a purple hammer.
Yeah.
Oh, from way left? From way right? Switch it up. Give him the big wheel. Matt lining me up again. Next card, the 10-sided die and the Screaming Trees. 8.
Whoa.
Brooklyn. I just think every shot that's like not perfect, I just think they're all gonna work.
They're all gonna go Brooklyn?
Yeah, because I'm the king of Brooklyn. I am Brooklyn. I hope when I win my first title that I win out of Brooklyn.
I can't.
Easy money. I gotta get, what do I need to get? 8?
8. 8. You got 7 last time? Yeah,
Yep.
8.
I need 8 strike.
Okay, so I'm moving here. 1.
Oh my god. And they say I'm lucky? What? Yeah. I didn't even use my special power of stealing a dice roll from a player. I could have stolen one of your ones.
Aw.
Dang. On this challenge, miss the head pin on the left, but keep it on the lane. Miss the head pin on the right, keep it on the lane. The pro level is leave only the head pin. Yep. You weren't worried. Come
Just a
on.
little bit. 8.
I just need my spare ball for this one. Miss the head pin left, miss the head pin right. I would throw my strike ball, but I have no idea where it's going.
Okay, 8 or better. I got 6.
So for me on the final victory challenge card, I have to strike, spare, strike.
Do I have to spare it in order to stay where I'm
Yes,
at?
however, you can also add, your player skill is adding 1 to your
Well, I'm gonna have to
count.
wait till after to see what I get.
Ooh. So Madison's like special player action is adding 1 to her pin count. So even though she didn't spare, she can add 1 to her pin count. What is it, twice a game?
Yes.
Twice a game too. So now instead of falling backwards, she can stay on the same spot. This is the final card. This is the victory lap. Strike, spare, strike, winner.
Oh, I forgot to reroll.
So I don't think I go all at once. So I think she goes.
1.
Oh my god. Very nice. That is 1 or more.
Yes, it is. Thank you, thank you. Now I just have to leave the head pin, right?
Missed the head pin twice.
Missed the head pin twice.
Come on!
I can't.
And with that hit, you can grab your merch at thehousebowling.com. Okay. All right.
That's the blue ball hit.
Yeah, that's you're trying to get as few pins as possible, and all of a sudden you end up with 8. And the next shot's basically a spare.
I just have to miss it, right?
You just gotta miss it to the right. Keep it on the lane, miss it to the right. Bing, bing. Easy money. Here we go. Strike to claim it. I think it's about time for one of those Brooklyn. Good game. What can I say? I'm the luckiest man alive. And I want to thank all of you guys for watching this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for sticking along to the end. And as always, thank you to Dragon Bowl, our bowling board game. We had a blast. I just got lucky enough to be the winner. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you like watching these videos and you want to watch more of them. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. And if you want in on some of our December giveaways, that we're still giving away bowling balls and we're still giving away Genesis Sport Pads, There's a link down below in the description at twohandedbowling.com to fill out a form so you can join our email list and we can email you if you are selected as one of our winners.